morning, all distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome you all to the second day of Thailand Focus 2016. You're still with me, Sinida Petwirakun, and I will be a moderator for today's event. Before we get started, may I invite Mr. Chris Gammons, co-head of Asia Pacific Investment Banking and country executive for Singapore and Southeast Asia, Bank of America Merrill Lynch, Asia Pacific, to deliver his welcome speech.
Thank you. Good morning. Esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. On behalf of Bank of America Merrill Lynch, it's my pleasure to welcome you to Day 2 of Thailand Focus 2016 conference. Yesterday, you would have heard from the distinguished speakers as they spoke about the attractive growth opportunities on the horizons, and today's agenda will have speakers and themes that carry on that topic. The broad theme for the Thai Focus conference this year, obviously, is the agenda for growth. And as we all are placed here in ASEAN, that growth prospect continues to be bright as always. We heard the Minister of Finance yesterday, Kun Apisak, talk about the broader challenges in the global environment, but how Thailand is positioning itself for the eventual rebound. And as we're coming to the new normal and looking at challenges around the world, be it in Europe, post-Brexit, how the U.S. is struggling to get over a point and a half of growth. We look around the world for growth and yield and how those things come together. And again, ASEAN and Thailand couldn't be better placed in terms of the positioning for that. And those are the fundamentals and the attractive investment themes that make an event like this such a success, where the number of corporates, investors, and participants are the largest ever. So we're very, very proud and honored to be part of that with this conference. From a fundamentals perspective and specific to Thailand, the engines of growth continued. We heard from the Bank of Thailand governor yesterday how post the drought, with the rains coming back, things have improved. Focus on the banks and the balance sheets of the banks and where the lending can occur, and then these thematics around fintech, e-payments, and a new paradigm for kind of corporate Thailand, which are very, very exciting and kind of manifest. The growth rates here are still good, 3.5%, which, in the context of the rest of the region, is a very, very strong showing and a reflection of the diversity and flexibility of the Thai economy. The government spending on infrastructure and the improvements there will again make their way through the broader economy, and we feel very, very optimistic about how the infrastructure spend will continue to boost the economy. As we, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch, we service local corporates, we service obviously global multinational corporations, we service other regional APAC clients. The themes about why these institutions want to and do business in Thailand continue in terms of the skilled labor force, the improving infrastructure, telecommunications upgrades, and those are going to be the planks that will underpin and support the growth for Thailand going forward. And again, why investing in Thailand and the interest in Thailand and the emerging global champions that come from Thailand is what is attracting regional and global investor interest. And those clients that we deal with that are thinking about CapEx and investing are very, very interested in Thailand, but of course the Mekong Delta region that is a neighbor here, and a foothold into the optionality around Mekong by coming into Thailand is a great option for these corporates, and something that obviously is a selling point for Thailand, and we're seeing that whether it's Japanese development, Korean development, regional players coming in and saying, well, we'll use Thailand as the base and then access these other growing markets. Were very, very exciting. Later this morning, Ajay Kapoor is our Asia Pacific and Emerging Market Strategist, is going to be speaking to you. I won't steal Ajay's thunder, but I think you'll all find him incredibly interesting, and he's a very energetic and fun speaker. But he changed his call on emerging markets earlier this year. and the points around growth and those thematics you'll hear from Ajay, but it really speaks well and reflects well about what's going on in Thailand and the broader ASEAN, and that is a theme of growth, which is consistent again with the conference. So we heard from Dr. Viratai, and I listened to his remarks in last year's Thai Focus about the car with a fantastic structure and suspension, but an engine that needed a little bit of an upgrade. And I do think those upgrade works have resulted in a car that's moving along quite well on a straight path and at a good clip of growth. So that is success from last year to now. Bank of America Merrill Lynch is very, very committed to and excited about the Thai growth story. We're very, very proud to be working with our partners at Patra and the Thai Stock Exchange for the Thai Focus Conference. We welcome all of your participation, both from our corporate clients and investor clients, and it's you that make these events a success, so we say thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chris Gammons, for your welcome speech.